That tower took a beating too. I think we're gonna actually park it over there. Okay, now turn left or turn right. Go forward. Well, I don't remember if he bought this new or not, but I can promise it hasn't been maintained very good. Stop. So now throw it in park. Throw it in park and turn your key off and your flashers off. Okay, now that it's in park, you should be able to go ahead and take take the tension off your cable. Alright, put your chain back or your cables back and put your straps back and call it good.